we're turning spinach artichoke dip into a hearty soup. We're going to start the pot with a big onion or 2 medium onions. Let the onions sweat in butter and olive oil. And when it starts to turn translucent, then we're going to add in, as I was just doing, a small bulb of garlic and some leek. And we're gonna add a couple of potatoes, like 3 medium potatoes. This is gonna be our thickener here. I mean, we're making soup, we're not making dip. So we want this to have some weight to it. We want it to fill you up. But we're not adding, you know, mountains of different types of cheeses. We're adding just a little bit of cream cheese to this, a little bit of creamer, half and half, a lot of stock, and some Parm cheese. I'm gonna season this with salt and white pepper, and potatoes love salt, so don't be cheap with the salt. Now, when we want potatoes to start getting soft and we don't wanna singe everybody else in the pot, good advice is to just leave the lid kind of ajar a bit so that most of the heat is trapped in the pot. A little bit of steam can escape. It's not gonna sweat too much, and kind of let it just do its thing. To pick up the fond and all the flavor that's developing the pot, we're going to add about a cup of white wine. So we work the bottom of the pot a little bit and get all that color up. Oh, that smells good. Now we're ready to add the spinach portion here. So we're gonna take that and you just drain it on your kitchen towel, wring it out really well, right? And we're gonna add that family-sized bag of spinach into the pot. Now, spinach I always season, a little bit of nutmeg, a tiny squish of lemon juice, and a little salt. Now, onto the artichokes. These you can get in the grocery store in the produce section, in the fresh food section, in the, you know, right when you come in the store, in my store. These are refrigerated and they come in little trays and they make them in different flavors. This is just plain artichoke heart that's been thrown on a grill a little bit, it's charred up. If you can't find this product, and you can order them online too, if you can't find this product, no big deal. Get 2 cans of artichoke hearts in water, not marinated, not in oil. Drain them and chop them up. These come already quartered up in these little pouches. I get 2 pouches for each pot of soup that I'm making. And I just like this product when I can find it in stock because I like that little bit of charred flavor. You can also defrost frozen artichoke hearts, but that you're gonna wanna slack out or drain on a kitchen towel just like we do with the chopped, frozen, defrosted spinach, right? Now for this soup, I use 2 quarts of bone broth or stock. We're going to heat the brodo bone broth or stock first, and of course you can use vegetable stock if you want to make this vegetarian. We're going to put that in first and let that come up to a bubble. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add the cream and the cream cheese and the Parm. So I stirred in 1 cup of cream. So that's 3 of the marks on the side if you buy a large brick, or you can buy literally a 3-ounce brick of cream cheese. And we're going to melt that in. To eat this, I do have a spoon on the plate, but I'm gonna take a whole bunch. I love Stacy's. This is my favorite flavor. The garlic and herby pita chips. Last thing, once we melt in the cream cheese and it gets to this lovely consistency, and I'm going to add in, a good cup of Parm. And then we kind of fold that Parm into the whole hot mess. Yes. The spinach, the artichokes, the potatoes, the broth, the wine. Oh. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, why not? A little extra cheese in the middle. Okay. Here you go, guys. Yum.